McDonald's mashed up menu hacks might be better left unmashed. Ooh, what a headline!
Salacious.
What a headline! Yeah, they're like you might want to check out these mashups, but you probably shouldn't mash. And you're like wait a sec.
Hey man.
Yeah, you're like, what did you just do to me? You intrigued me with the mashup, and then you told me I should never dare. So now I want to dare.
Yeah, I'm a rebel.
You know what I mean? There's some psychology at play. Okay, so here we have the menu hacks, and they are built by hand, or you can try to order them. Okay, here's a simple one. The hash brown McMuffin. This is a no-brainer. Yeah, just put the hash brown on the...
like Farmers.
That's a Farmer's wrap at Tim Hortons.
Yeah.
And this just makes it easier to eat all in one, and absolutely, it's fine. The only thing I would say is that this stack gets a little tall, unlike the wrap format.
Yeah.
So you probably want to be probably not eating that in a car or something like that, like you can do with the Farmer's wrap at Tim Hortons. They really figured that whole delivery method out.
Yeah.
And they jammed the hash brown in there. The next up is the Crunchy Double. It is a 6-piece chicken nugget plus barbecue sauce on top or under. Oh, what?
On top of the chicken
underneath?
Yeah, they hid it in there.
Underneath a double
6
cheeseburger.
nuggets, though.
That's insane.
No way you fit 6 nuggets in a burger.
That's insane.
It looks like there's 3 here. Maybe 4 if you put one in the back.
I guess you can just eat the extra nuggets on the side. You jam 4, but that's a mess. These mashups are messy. Maybe that's why you're supposed to skip it.
But a lot of people order these kind of configurations. That's why McDonald's made them official. Like, you can literally order them.
Oh, you can order these like that right now?
Yeah, because they were called menu hacks, but it wasn't created by McDonald's. Now, McDonald's wants to get on the hype.
Or it was created by McDonald's. The conspiracy version that Mo subscribes to. He say, well, you just leak it on TikTok, and then next thing you know, people start asking. Then you say, we heard you because we're cool, and we hear the people, but you really manufactured the whole thing. That's if you ask Mo. It's not if you ask me.
That's if you ask me.
That's if you ask Mo. Next up, we have the Surf and Turf Filleto fish plus double cheeseburger. Only available on the app. Oh, you're trying to sell me the app now too, aren't you? Only available on the app. Well, good thing Willie Doo's on the app every day.
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
And here is the one to rule them all. Land, air, and sea. Oh, my God. A Big Mac plus McChicken plus Filet-O-Fish. That thing is... How do you even eat that? What do you... You gotta...
you ever do the junior
for
chicken and the double cheeseburger?
Never. I've never done any of this.
Oh, really?
Are you talking about buying those things separately and eating them? Or are you talking about actually putting them on top of each other?
Yeah, actually.
No, I've never done this.
I've never done it, but I bought it like separately.
Oh, okay. Maybe somebody in the chat, because I did this a lot in high school, where I would put the junior chicken inside.
It's a modern.
What about the bun though?
Oh, I would toss the top bun.
Okay, yeah. See, this is why people want this menu item, because they want to save money.
Yeah.
So you don't get the buns when you order this. It's like pre-assembled.
Also, you feel guilty doing the bun tossing.
Yeah.
You don't want to toss a bun.
No, yeah, you're right.
And you don't want to eat the bun because it's extra carbs.
So the land, air, and sea is served with a hot... Extra carbs. How dare you? Look what we're talking about right now. So rude.
No, it's just too big. With the more bread, it's just too big.
Served with a hot and spicy McChicken sandwich at select restaurants. Oh. So select restaurants it's going to be a spicy McChicken inside the land, air, and sea configuration. These must be expensive if you buy these things, because it's like 2 sandwiches in one. Like, no, let's see the land, air, and sea. What do they want for that? That's going to cost you. Oh, imagine how annoyed you are if you are working at McDonald's and people start ordering these. Oh, you're so annoyed.
It wouldn't be that bad.
Oh, my God. Trying to stack that thing up and wrap it up? Your job just got a lot more complicated.
They have a special package, I'm guessing. There's
so another step.
What, a Big Mac box is not gonna fit.
It's not gonna fit.
Will got flustered there looking at me.
I got too excited, man. I want all of this.
I don't know. They're not gonna list the price, I guess. Because
maybe we'll try one of these on the next show.
I think they have the price.
Not in the app.
Yeah,
oh, $11. Land, air, and sea is $11 USD.
Wow, McDonald's is getting expensive.
But that's 3 sandwiches in there.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah,
That's
but it's
3.
That's a lot.
That's 3 sandwiches in there.
We're talking about value meals, though. These are 3 of the small sandwiches.
No, it's not.
Yeah, is it McChicken?
It starts
or
with
is
a
it
Big
Junior
Mac.
Chicken?
It's a Big Mac and
No,
a
it's a
McChicken.
McChicken. It's a McChicken.
Oh, okay.
Big Mac, McChicken, Filet-O-Fish.
Okay, yeah.
It's 3 for 1. I mean, minus some bread, but otherwise, anyway.
That's crazy.
So they're telling. So wait a second. The Washington Post is telling us don't do the mashup. Like you better not mash them. There's kind of, I guess their conclusion is not to do it.
Yeah, there's a very long article
Yeah.
talking about, TikTok and it's a trend. Maybe it's this author who thinks it's a bad idea.
Talking about Emily?
But,
Yeah. I'll give it a crack. Whatever. I don't know.
yeah, give it a shot.
I don't know. It could be a crazy event here on the show. Who knows?